Well, hello everyone. This is my project on poker implemented in Python. Here are the five important pieces of information. Moving forward, in one line, my project is simulating a poker hand for one or more players, and my main goal is to study the randomness present in poker. I am not touching upon any betting aspects for now. So either you can play solo or you can play against multiple opponents. You can define your or their cards or just let them get assigned randomly. The community cards get dealt after that randomly, and then simulations are run on those hands. For now, I'm limiting the simulations to 1,000. Coming to the code, I have multiple classes. I have a card class and a deck class. And for pattern matching, I have a hand analyzer and a hand ranker. Hand analyzer is for matching the patterns, and hand ranking is for obtaining the rank of the 10 poker hands in TexasHoldem version. And in the main function, I have a get player hand function, a get opponent's hand, a get simulation count, which is max to 1,000, and then the main run simulation function. Coming to the project, so I have a lot of comments here which I'm letting them stay. This is the class card. You can see that getter and setter here, and then this is the class deck. There's a player class I'm not using currently, and then there's the hand analyzer, and then this is the hand ranker, followed by the main function over here: player hand, opponent hand, simulation count, and the main run simulation code. To see it in action, let's run. So I get prompted to define your hand or receive a random hand. I'll receive a random hand. This is my hand, 7 of diamonds and king of clubs. And then the number of opponents, let's say I want to play with 3 opponents. I don't want to define any opponent cards, so I'll say 0. These are the opponent cards. The number of simulations, let's say 50. So in 50 simulations, I won 15 times. The opponents won 34 times. And this is the percentage distribution. There was one split hand, and among the opponents, these are the counts. Each hand won, and all the 50 hands, their ranks are these. So let's do one more. Let's say I'll play against 5 opponents, and then I don't want to define any hands. Let's say 500.